Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Solid performance today on the VeChain chart. VeChain put this wave 1 in place here, this leading diagonal. I think we talked about it in yesterday's video. After it found support at the golden ratio here at 2.17 cents. So it did rally in small 5 waves. An ascending diagonal, an ascending wedge, a leading diagonal. Looks very similar currently to the polka dot chart. Polka dot or dot did something very, very similar. Rallied in a so-called wave 1, came down in an ABC correction in a wave 2. The move down looks very, looks very corrective, and the move up currently, that price action currently suggests that a bottom has been made here in a wave 2 on the 27th of March. We then rallied, obviously, came down again, did hold support, and we rallied. So also here, this low is now relevant support. It is at, let me just move that support box to the right hand side so we see it. That is at 2.24 cents. Yeah, as long as we're holding that, this is now the relevant support that has been basically, that support has been lifted to that one now, which would be relevant to keep the upside pressure alive. So as long as we hold 2.2 cents or 2.24, we could now rally in the third wave. Not in one straight line, typically not, but that third wave should really take us to, when we talk about circle wave 3 now, at least 2.61 cents. Yeah, it's actually a bit too high for that. It would be the minimum, ideally a bit higher. Then we should get a fourth and a fifth wave. And again, that would complete the higher degree third wave probably. There should be another 4 then and another 5. And it's doing what it needs to do now. But I mean, it's now broken. Well, it hasn't really broken above it yet. So I need to see a break above 2.38 cents. This is exactly where we're stuck now, the previous wave 1 high. And then the bulls need to break above the B wave high at 2.48 cents and 2.52 cents. But all of that should not be a problem if we really are in a third wave already. But it really needs to start going now. In the worst case, I mean, not in the worst case, but it could still reset this large wave 2 a little bit lower if all of this was maybe a wave W, X wave, and then a Y wave down. But then the length of this correction would then be very, very long, and it would be out of proportion compared to the length of the wave 1, just time-wise, not price-wise. So from a price point of view, VeChain still theoretically has the possibility to test the 78.6 retracement at 2.07 cents. So as long as it's holding that 78.6 retracement, the focus can be on higher. But obviously we've got now this wave 2 as highest support now that is relevant. Below that we've got 2.17 cents and then 2.07. Yeah, below 2.07 we might turn a bit bearish on VeChain, but until then we treat the support areas as what they are, because they are holding. We treat them as bullish support, okay? And the trend is up as long as these are holding. We are on the 4-hour chart in the bullish range, which is really good. And also on the MACD, we had a bullish crossover. So we've got everything we need basically currently for indication, confirmation that we are rallying higher. Also buy signals here on the MACD, bullish crossover, increasing bullish momentum, and on the relative strength index, it seems like we're getting a bullish crossover and a cross above the 50 line on the daily. That's actually not bad. Yeah, that's actually not bad. And the 4-day chart also shows some potential reduction in negative momentum. But it's very early days here. But yeah, it looks like on the 2-day we are going to get a bullish crossover as well, if things carry on that way. And all of that would rather be indicative of further upside movements here on the VeChain chart. Also, daily chart seems to be a bullish engulfing candle that we see here, but the daily is obviously not closed yet. But yeah, so far good structure, looks healthy at the moment. Nice bottoming structure here as well for this circle wave 2. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update about VeChain. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.